Namaskar and welcome to this tarot reading. Now this is the reading for the sign of Leos in the no contact from 15th to 31st of January. Now please remember this is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with all of you. जिनके साथ resonate होती है उन्हें ही रखना है. You can check your sun, moon, rising and Venus. And also remember that energies can shift or change anytime and the roles can be reversed anytime. So this could be your energy or vice versa. So let's see what is the person of Leo feeling in the no contact collective. What is the person of Leo feeling in the no contact situation? We have got the Chariot, we have got the Nine of Swords and we have got the Knight of Wands. So आपके जो person है Leos, they have lot of anxiety. They are not able to sleep at night and they want to move on in life. Actually at the bottom of the deck we have the Nine of Pentacles, then with the Three of Cups and then with the Three of Pentacles. So yeah, your person is definitely working on themselves or they are busy in their work, but somehow they are very lonely at this time and they are trying to move on in their life. Now either presently they are alone, they are in no contact, so they are moving very fast. They could be traveling also because there are two travel cards also here. There is lot of passion, but I think the anxiety is कि आप दोनों के बीच में जो रिश्ता है, it is not stable. It is always changing. It is in and out. Although there is lot of attraction, but there is no stability. So they are in this energy of like they are trying to figure out how to move on. They are very anxious. उनको बहुत anxiety हो रही है because they are wanting to move on. वो आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं, लेकिन उनको ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि वो आगे कैसे बढ़े. I think they are still stuck on you. They are stuck on you and but they are not able to understand why they are stuck on you. You people are in no contact but they have lot of anxiety क्योंकि वो आगे नहीं बढ़ पा रहे हैं इस सिचुएशन से, लेकिन वो बढ़ना तो चाहते हैं. Now let's see what action they are going to take, if any. Let's see what is the action which the person of Leo going to take, what action they are going to take mid of January. Let's see what action they are going to take my love team. Okay, we have got the Page of Cups, we have got the Knight of Swords and we have got the High Priestess. Okay, so आपके जो person है, they are silent but they want to communicate. They want to communicate. Now there are very two different energies here. First is Page of Cups and then we have the Knight of Swords. तो आप में से कोई तो है जो कि अपोलोजाइज करना चाहता है, जो कि फ्रेंडशिप ऑफर करना चाहता है, जो कि एक सेकेंड चांस चाहता है, लेकिन देर इज़ वन पर्सन who is very angry and they want to cut the shit, they want to cut the crap. But I think so far as your person is concerned, so maybe you are very silent and intuitive, you are not talking and thinking a lot, or your person may be thinking a lot about what action to take and how to take and how to do it. So there are two energies. There is a Page energy, there is a Knight energy also. Now Knight of Swords is a very little aggressive card, aggressive energy हो सकती है. So they definitely want to take some action. I think they want to talk maybe, or they want to contact you, but I think you are silent. That is why they are not able to do anything. With the Wheel of Fortune or Justice in the reverse, they are waiting for the right time. The time they feel is not right for them to take any action. They want to correct things. With the Justice, आप दोनों के बीच में चीज़ें बिल्कुल भी ठीक नहीं है. You people are definitely separated, but they want a new beginning. They want a leap of faith. Again, Three of Cups, so maybe they want to reconcile also. Now please remember that this could be your energy or it could be a person's energy also. Maybe you want to reconcile. So we never know whose energy is this, but definitely someone here wants to talk. Someone here. So you could be dealing with the water energy because We have two major arcana, Cancer and Pisces. So you could be dealing with Cancer and Pisces. By the way, now let's see what is the guidance for you for Leos for the next 15 days. Let's see what's the guidance for Leos. Okay, we have gender roles. तो द नो कॉन्टैक्ट सिचुएशन आपके लिए लियोज ये कहा जा रहा है कि आप लोगों का जो झगड़ा है वो कहीं ना कहीं एक दूसरे के प्रति कोई व्यक्ति ऐसा है जो बहुत ज़्यादा डोमिनेटिंग है, तो या तो फिर आप दोनों को ये प्रॉब्लम हो रही है कि मेल द मेल और if it's a he, then they feel that the woman is very dominating, and if the woman is there then she feels the male is very dominating. तो उन्हें ऐसा लगता है कि उनका बिलीफ सिस्टम ऐसा बोलता है कि that maybe Leo they find you very very controlling and dominating, so they don't want to accept this behavior. So the real problem is about the behavior. that आप लोगों का जो बिहेवियर एक दूसरे के प्रति है, तो कोई तो आप लोगों में से ऐसा है जो कि इस बिहेवियर को क्वेश्चन कर रहा है और जेंडर रोल्स को क्वेश्चन कर रहा है, यानी कि उन्हें ऐसा लगता है कि अ वुमन इज़ बिहेविंग लाइक अ मैन एंड अ मैन इज़ बिहेविंग लाइक अ वुमन. तो आप लोगों में बिलीफ सिस्टम्स की प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, आप लोगों में बिहेवियरल इश्यूज हो सकते हैं, और यू नो वर्क को लेके प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकती है, मनी को लेके प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकती है. सो इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट द रोल्स what you are playing. Maybe if you are a he, then they want to control the situation, and if you are a she, then maybe you want to control the situation. So this is what I have for you, Leo, for the next 15 days, and see you next time. I hope you liked it. If you like it, please hit the like button, and see you next time. Bye bye.